Tasiah. Is that Harlan's car?
You're that dog. Hi, puppy. What's the puppy's name?
Tasiah.
Hey, Tasiah.
She's not very friendly.
He said no.
She's not friendly at all.
It's a well-mannered dog.
Yeah,
Caution canine, stay back, it says.
I see that. Wonder where they're
You don't want
from.
to go scratch its ears, right?
Yeah, right.
She is not mean. She is not mean. Not mean.
I'm close enough.
Yeah, you close enough.
You're pretty.
She's
Don't
pretty, but she
don't
doesn't
being
like.
petted.
Oh, that's okay.
Get much
I
closer,
just
she's gonna
coming
bark
to
at
say
you.
hello.
Oh, it'll
It's
be nice.
okay.
Nice.
I'm not gonna hurt ya. No. I love dogs. So she's full.
Yeah, she's a sable German Shepherd.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, look at what you have.
She doesn't like to drink in here very much.
Oh, ours gets real fussy about if he wants to drink or not. Oh, yeah. Does he like people food too?
Oh yeah.
Yep. Ours likes the chicken nuggets. He likes the hamburger, the cheeseburgers.
She like everything.
Well, he basically does too.
We
Definitely.
love her to that.
Oh, yeah. Our kids told us, they go, that's pretty good. When we were home, you wouldn't let us have a dog in the house. Now we're gone, and the dog is like a child. And I said, yeah, he replaced you.
And the best thing is they don't talk back.
That's what Ellen says. But you know, a few years ago, we went to Wisconsin Dells, and we didn't take him along. So we left him out at the farm, where that's where he started out at before we moved. We come back after 4 days. He didn't even acknowledge us.
They mad.
Yeah, we put him in the car, and he didn't, you know, pay attention to us at all. We got home up here, and he was just like, so what, you know, wouldn't wag his tail, and he always wags his tail. Wouldn't wag his tail. 3 days, I called my son, and I said, I think Coco must be really sick. And he goes, why? I said, he doesn't wag his tail, nothing. He goes, Mom, you left him. He's mad at you.
Yeah.
They have goggles for...
Oh, do you?
Is she a Belgian Shepherd?
Yep.
Yeah.
There's a special
She's,
for the dog.
Sable.
Yeah,
Sable?
Sable German Shepherd.
Oh, okay, German.
So,
Okay.
so like this, so to protect their eye.
Yeah.
Does he like him?
She wears them, but when we stop, she
yeah.
puts them off.
She wants him off right away.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't blame her.
Yeah. That's so adorable.
Yeah.
I just love it.
How cute are you, huh?
You're a cool
Well,
guy.
I kind of go underneath. Okay.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
You look good. You look.
I don't know if she likes her or not, but we just.
You look pretty good.
Yeah, she does.
Can you turn and look this way? Harlan wants to take a
Boo-boo.
picture.
Can I go like this way?
Look over this way. Yeah.
What's her name?
Tasiah.
Stasia.
Tasia?
Tasiah.
Tasia. Oh.
You look good with them on.
Yeah, she does.
Gee. Oh.
That's all right.
They were $90. They cost a lot more than mine.
Oh,
Yeah.
A few bucks, then.
My glasses cost like $5.
This your dog?
Yeah, it does.
Yours?
Yeah.
Oh, what a beautiful
Yeah,
dog.
met her. She's pretty grumpy.
Oh,
Yeah, she's pretty.
What's that?
She was 6 years old in January.
the canine dog. You're a police officer, right?
No. Let's put that on there because she gets you closer and gonna go after you.
Hello, boy. Oh, I'm just looking at
She's
her.
distracted right now.
Oh, it looks like my girlfriend's dog. It's called,
It's
the color.
Sable. This is a sable German
Yeah, hers is
Shepherd.
like black,
oh,
almost
beautiful
black.
dog.
Sables come in different shades of,
Yeah, and then
degrees of black. But
She
yeah,
breeds them and she gets like
oh yeah.
$2,000 for a pup.
Oh, that's crazy. I
It's-
paid $30 for her.
She really likes riding on the sidecar.
Yes, she does.
She's beautiful though.
Yeah.
And she looks just like her in the face. Is it a girl?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's got the nice.
No, don't.
Did she bite?
Yeah, she don't like to be petted. Be nice.
Unite, what's wrong?
She just don't like strangers.
She doesn't?
Nope.
She won't let him pet?
Nobody.
You're kidding.
She's only made a few friends in the 3 years we've had her. No, be nice. Just a little
You
too close for
shouldn't be.
her.
Oh, me?
Yeah, for her good. Be nice, kid.
Oh, she's beautiful.
That's why this is on there. Is to tell people to stay
Oh.
back.
I didn't read that.
Oh yeah.
My grandpa always told me to look down, and I never do.
Is that right?
When you go to an antique shop, he always told me, always look down. He goes, that's where all the good stuff is.
Yeah.
Start right off. Hit the ignition, so watch your pop right off.